Welcome to FreeNow Business. This quick guide will get you set up on your company's account in no time. Once you've been invited, you'll receive an email that states the role you've been assigned. For example, passenger, booker, or admin. If you're new to the system, use the Register Now option to create a new profile. If you already have the app, click Connect Account to enter your existing details. Using the Register Now option will open a window like this. Fill in your details, click Create Account, and you're good to go. If you're an existing user and accidentally click this option, simply select Login. Clicking Connect Account brings you here. Simply enter your existing app login details to join the account. Now that you've completed your registration, download the FreeNow app to your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store and log in with your details. If you already had the app, there's no need to complete this step. Once logged in, you're ready to book a taxi on your business account. To book a taxi, check your pickup location is correct. If you're booking from a different location, click on the Address tab to amend. Select Enter Destination if you want to input where you're going. You can even set your home and work addresses to make frequent bookings easier. You can choose from our airport list or enter your destination here. Once you start typing, Google Maps will start to autofill with popular destinations. Once you've set your location, you can select further booking preferences. By default, we'll assign you a standard taxi, but you can also choose from our executive, wheelchair accessible, or multi-seater vehicles. On this screen, you'll also be able to see your current payment method. If booking on your business account, your company name will be displayed. If your company is using references and cost centres, you can enter them here. Once you've entered all your information, you can click the X in the top left-hand corner to go back to the order page. If you want to change to a different payment method, simply tap and choose another option. If your vehicle and payment method are correct, you can go ahead and click Order Taxi Now. We will process your request and a driver will accept your job shortly. If you need to pre-book your taxi, select Later and the day and time you require. This can be done up to 4 days in advance. Click Save and you'll be brought back to the order page to complete your booking. When a driver has been assigned to you, their name, roof sign number and car model will be shown on screen. You'll have the option to call the driver, cancel the trip or just track them as they move in real time on the map. Once your driver arrives, we'll send you a notification. Swipe to the left for more fleet types. Here you'll be able to select the Taxi XL option. By clicking on this icon, you'll be presented with more booking options. If you'd like to book a wheelchair accessible vehicle, simply select the highlighted icon. To book a multi-seater, click on Select Number of Seats and you'll see a list of options and their estimated wait time. Select your preference and place your booking. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, feel free to get in touch.